Mimi, say hi.
Hi.
Katie, what are we doing?
Drinking catfish time.
Oh no, we're not all drinking caps. I'm drinking Ribena. No, what are we all doing?
Sitting down.
Yeah. Progress.
Isn't that obvious?
One. We'll buy that.
We're in a rainforest.
Yeah, there's a monkey up there.
What?
We're in the rainforest, Mimi. Go on.
Oh. Did you know we say gullible really slow? It sounds like melon. Because I've tried it.
Oh,
I can actually imagine you sitting there like.
I did and it doesn't work.
I was about to try it. You right,
Like the
Glenn?
salt
Yep.
thing.
How's your toilet?
Yeah.
Well, there aren't any toilets around
I
here,
fell for
so
that.
don't really want it.
Uh-huh.
Have you been to the?
Oh,
Did you go?
Yeah.
you're like you're
But
gonna
not to a
murder
toilet,
someone.
because there aren't any.
Oh, that's nice.
My biscuits and
There's nothing really to comment on, is there?
Really?
What we're about to fall? Well, not really.
nice view.
It is a nice view. It's a bit nippy as well.
A bit nippy. Nippy noodles, but we could eat some Sammy salad.
Yes. That was my brother.
Because you are starving Marvin.
Exactly.
I'm hungry.
Guys, seriously.
Sorry.
What are these names again?
There's nippy noodles, and that's to say you're cold.
Sammy salad.
There's starving
And I
Marvin.
made up hungry mungry.
Well,
I thought they're pretty
Ginger
good.
Glen.
Okay, Glenn.
No, that's
Okay,
Okay,
alright.
Glenn, that could be
It has
one.
to be something along with the food.
Something to do with food. Crispy
Garlic
Collins.
Glen.
Garlic Glen, no.
Did you give it away?
Starving Marvin. Hungry. Nippy noodle. Oh, that doesn't rhyme.
I know, but it's still
Chippy Charlie.
Still.
Chippy Charlie. That's a good one.
Katie.
Good job, Katie.
Because that's cute.
I was about to go elongated elephant. What?
Eggy. Oh no. That is a different laugh.
I have no energy to laugh.
Yeah.
Don't let her upset you. Just don't.
Your
let her
laugh
upset
just went ah. Hang on, no. So E. What other food begins with E apart from egg?
Egg. Oh,
Eggnog.
I'm about to go egg fried rice.
I'm doing well.
Actually, is there any other food that apart from egg?
Yeah.
What's
Well,
that?
think of one.
you.
I'm about to go escargot, French, snail. Oh. It's not really catchy, so no, it just doesn't work. What?
Point the camera.
Right.
Elderflower pie.
Think about pie.
A flower pie.
Elderflower.
Oh, elderflower.
Oh, I do like elderflower.
Well, that's not really food.
I know, but you can have it as a drink.
Yeah, but that's not food then, is it?
Doesn't really matter.
You can have it in a pie, no, you can have the food.
You good? Yeah.
There you go.
Sorry. Oh, funny. Oh, not funny.
It's not funny, bro.